Hello, today I am working on this table. I'm back on my heavy sweater. Believe it or not, it was so warm and now it's really cold. So I am going to be working on the table. This table, I did it last year and I needed to do it a little better, more sturdy, because the winds are getting really strong here. So I have to do something to get it to support better. So I was able to get this fastened really well, both sides of the table. So I'm trying to build a structure that is this beautiful structure, and I'm gonna grow a plant on it that I will show you what it is. I'm excited to add color. So this is a super cozy area, and I'll be able to like journal. I have my tea here. I want a new area that I can look at the pond there that I did last year and just relax instead of just having the sofa. So I want 3 spots, and the patio is one. This is the next one, and then I have some work to do on my potting bench in the secret garden that I will do in another video. But today I'm gonna tackle this even if it's pretty chilly. Let's get going. So you can see I did like a 2x4 here, and then I ended up attaching 2 screws on each one. Like each pole has 2 so that it stays stable. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the top structure, and I think it should hold up. I did that on all 4 sides. I started with these screws and that did not help. I ended up using, I think they're called galvanized screws, so I'll show you the box, but I think they're like 4-inch screws, so they go pretty far deep, and it's worked out really well. It's nice and stable, and when we get those windstorms we get, which are absolutely crazy, that never used to happen, but now it does. I think it will work nicely. So these are the screws. They're exterior screws, 4-inch, and these are really good. They worked out so good. My husband, so this is the screw. My husband ended up helping me with this one pole yesterday because that branch it was so solid that when I'm like trying to get the screw in, all of a sudden I look and there's like chispas. I don't know how you say that in English, but like fire, like little things of fire coming out. I'm like, oh my god. I took the thing out and there's like this little fire thing coming out. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna let him do it. So he had to drill a hole and then go ahead and put the screw in. So, okay, I better get going. It is getting even colder. It's supposed to warm up and the sun to come out, but yeah, I still have sandals on, but maybe I should put some tennis shoes on. I'm one of those that likes to be barefoot everywhere. But so I hate wearing closed shoes, so I'm gonna try to keep my sandals on. We'll see how it goes. What is up with this weather? It is like so weird. It's just almost like it doesn't make up its mind. Cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot. I think my plants are a little traumatized. This is where my branches are stored. I'm gonna try to get all of them. And the branches out. Oh no! I just hit this pot. I don't know how it didn't crack, but it's doing okay. Because it fell on the stones. I cannot believe it didn't crack. I'm gonna put it back. See, like the heat was so much that it charred my little roses that I showed you before. So I'm gonna cut them all back and try to see they start blooming again. Maybe put a little super bloom to help them. But Okay, so I'm gonna grab the main branch that goes across the top, which is this one. The rest of them are all decorative to add a new layer. So I'm gonna try to fasten this. First, I have to get this together. I'm gonna put this and then I'm gonna cover it with some twine to dress it up. But for now, I'm gonna hold it like that. Branches just to add a little layer. These I think I'm gonna face out. Whoops. The sun wants to come out. Yeah, one more. And I think this makes it look really pretty to add this whole layer. And when I place the plant that I want to place on, it will have something to grab onto. So I think it'll be nice. This is the plant I'm gonna put to go ahead and vine throughout. It's the same one I have on my pollinator garden, but it's orange over there. This one is Sunny Lemon Star. So pretty and bright. There's a bird. It's so pretty and bright that I think it would look so nice. So I'm hoping it will grow really fast and get all tangled in here so that I can enjoy it. I may have to put it in a new pot because it may need more soil, so I may do that before it starts tangling, growing up. But it got a bit of a beating in the heat that we've had, so it may be a good day for me to go ahead and pot it up. It needs a little something. More thing to do. Means I have this little lamp I got at the dollar store, and I did a haul that show all the things I bought at the dollar store, so I'm gonna hang it right there. Gives enough light, it's gonna be so pretty. Okay, so now I gotta go ahead and prune the clematis deadheaded because there's a lot of little seed pods that it makes after the flowers die, so I gotta get like behind the pond, so it's a little bit tricky to get to it, but I'm going to try to do that right now. This is getting eaten by the earwigs. They're just having a feast on this flower, so I need to put diatomaceous earth on it because it's not. Oh, the new clematis is coming out. I can see a little bloom. So that's the summer one that I planted to see if it would finally bloom, because I had it on the front. It would never grow where I had it for some reason. I think it didn't like the soil there. I don't remember what it is. because it's never bloomed since I got it. It's been so long. I think it's been like, this is the 3rd year that it's going into.